In today's video, I will walk you through how to create playlists on Spotify. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Once Spotify is open, look at the left side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation area, including your library and playlists. If the sidebar is showing smaller icons instead of full labels, look for the option near your library that lets you create a new playlist. Depending on your view, it may say Create Playlist or appear as a plus button labeled New Playlist. Select the Create Playlist or New Playlist option. Spotify will immediately create a new empty playlist and add it to your library. You'll see the new playlist appear in your list of playlists, and a new page will open for it. At this point, your playlist has been successfully created. Spotify will usually give the playlist a placeholder name and a blank cover by default. You can now personalize the playlist by giving it a name, adjusting its details, and organizing it however you like. If you don't see the Create Playlist or New Playlist option, make sure you're viewing the main Spotify screen, rather than a specific album or artist page. Also, confirm that you're signed in to the correct account. If the interface still doesn't show the option, refresh the Spotify app or browser and check again. Once the playlist appears in your library, the creation process is complete. You can return to the playlist page whenever you want and continue organizing it. So, to create a playlist on Spotify, open Spotify, make sure you're signed in, look at the left sidebar and select Create Playlist or the plus New Playlist option. Spotify will create the playlist and add it to your library, where you can personalize and organize it. Thank you for watching.